is Calistus Baraza, an occupational therapist at Betterstream Care, Milimani, Kisumu. We have partnered with Ponea Health to do a discussion on occupational therapy. Occupational therapy is a client-centered health profession that aims at helping our clients who have had illnesses or injuries to recover and gain the lost skills so that they can do their day-to-day activities independently. So the difference between occupational therapy and physiotherapy majorly is occupational therapy focuses on an individual's occupation, as the name goes. We want to help this individual who had an illness or maybe an injury to regain or to go back to his day-to-day occupation independently. And then physiotherapy, they mainly focus on helping patients on ambulations and movements. So that is the major difference between occupational therapy and physiotherapy. So there is a variety of conditions that warrant the need for occupational therapy treatment. These conditions are majorly divided into several categories, which can be majorly grouped into three. We have the pediatric conditions, the physical dysfunction conditions, and the mental health conditions. So when it comes to pediatric conditions, we have conditions like cerebral palsy, Down syndrome, autism, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and many other conditions like Erb's palsy. Then when it comes to adults, we have neurological conditions including stroke, we have brain injuries, then we have Guillain-Barré syndrome, we have hand injuries, and any other sports injury. Then we also have the mental health sector, where we deal with all conditions of the mental health to enable these clients to carry their day-to-day activities independently. Occupational therapy is not restricted to any age. It cuts across from children to adults. Everybody is eligible to access occupational therapy treatment services. Factors that determine the success of occupational therapy treatments majorly are based on one: the earlier the better. We call it early intervention. The earlier you start your treatment sessions, the better you get. So that is the key factor that determines your recovery during occupational therapy treatments. And number two, we can also talk about consistency. Consistency in this instance, we're trying to mean that when a client strictly follows the treatment plan that he has been given, then that one can also prompt to a speedy recovery. So when it comes to occupational therapy treatment sessions, we have several activities that happen or take place during our treatments. But those activities or the things happening during the sessions depends on the need of your client. They are not specific. It cannot specific because it ranges from one client to another. What is the need of my client? If this client has a hand injury, then definitely I'm going to focus on the activities that can help this client regain the hand skills, the motor skills, the fine motor and the gross motor skills. So it depends with the condition of my client and the need of the client at the time. So thank you for joining us in this discussion. You can book our Betterstream Care services at ponea.com. Betterstream Care and Rehabilitation Center is the best and the only private rehabilitation center in Kisumu and Western region as a large. I look forward to interacting with you in the next episodes.